How to get girls only on Monkey app. So if you want to get girls only on Monkey app, then what you need to do is you just need simply open your Monkey application. Now once you open, you need to go with the monkey icon, which is on the bottom right. Now tap on settings, which is on the top right, and here you will have an option of video chat settings. So you just need to simply go with video chat settings. Now here you will have the first option as use easy connect, right? So you just need to simply go and turn this off. Once you turn this off, you can go back and start your video chat, and now it will give you the information of who is the other person. So if you simply tap on start video chatting, then it will give you the information like the name of the person and age and the location he's from. You can have two options, accept and next. So if it is a boy, then you can just go with next, and if it is girl, then you can go and accept it. So that's how you can get girls only on Monkey app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.